Hello friends, welcome to your own channel 3 Hours Education. On the great demand by students, we have already started the map series for class 12 geography. In the previous video you have seen we have done the maps from the book India, People and Economy. Now in continuation we'll do the remaining maps from the same book. So this is your book People and Economy, India, and always remember from this book we are going to have the map work for location and labeling. No maps will come for identification. 4 maps already you have done. One, density of population, then another or migration, then level of HDI, and now 5th map we are going to do, that is the map of cities in India. Cities with the population, about 10 million, more than 10 million. Okay, so these are the cities which are going to be asked in this map for location and labeling. One is your national capital, that is Delhi. Then you have Kolkata. Then you have Greater Mumbai. Then you have Chennai. In South India, another city which is going to be asked in exam, that is Bengaluru. So these 5 cities will be asked in the exam: Greater Mumbai, national capital Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai and Bengaluru. This is your map number 5. Now we'll do the next map, which is for the major crops. It is leading producer of major crops in India. We know leading producer of rice crop, which is West Bengal. I am locating here West Bengal. Okay, so this is the leading producer of rice. Suppose in your question it is part number E. So you will write E, West Bengal for rice. Then we have wheat crop. Leading producer of wheat in India is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh. I am locating here this Uttar Pradesh. How to remember the locations? Bengal is located adjacent to Bangladesh. Okay, so Uttar Pradesh is in the in the Uttar of Madhya Pradesh. This is Madhya Pradesh in the center, and in the north of Madhya Pradesh we have Uttar Pradesh. So very easy to remember the location of these states. Then we have so rice we have done, wheat we have done. Now next crop is tea. Leading producer of tea is Assam. Leading producer of tea is Assam state, which is located in northeastern region of India. We all know approximately 70% of total tea comes from Assam. Assam, in bracket I am writing tea. So Assam is the leading producer of tea, Uttar Pradesh is the leading producer of wheat, and rice is the leading producer, leading producer is West Bengal. Now another important crop is jute, and amazingly West Bengal is the leading producer of jute also. Jute is one of the famous fibers in India, we all know that. West Bengal for jute crop. Okay, and then we will, another important fiber crop of India is cotton. We all know that is also going to be there in your map work. And leading producer of cotton is Gujarat as well as Maharashtra. Gujarat and Maharashtra both are the leading producer of cotton in India. This is your Gujarat, westernmost state of India, and adjacent to Gujarat you have Maharashtra. Okay friends, Maharashtra. So I'll write here, suppose this is your E part in your question, Maharashtra. You can show any one of these two states, Maharashtra for cotton as well as Gujarat for cotton. Okay, how would you remember the locations? Gujarat and Maharashtra both are located in black soil region of India, and Gujarat is the westernmost state. Now two fibers you have done, two cereals you have done, and another important crop is jawar. And for jawar we have Maharashtra again. So Maharashtra is the leading producer of cotton as well as jawar. Okay, so if question comes for jawar, again in that case also you can show, you can locate and label Maharashtra. Now one more important crop which is a cash crop of India, very famous cash crop, that is sugarcane, and UP is the leading producer of sugarcane also. So you can write its name, so labeling is we are doing, and crop's name. Now in this manner we have done Uttar Pradesh for wheat and sugarcane, we have done West Bengal for rice and jute, we have done Maharashtra for cotton and jawar, we have done Gujarat for cotton, and we have done Assam for tea. All are going to be there in your map work, and it is very easy to remember the locations. So once you should practice yourself. Now the leading producer of coffee, one beverage crop, tea you have seen. Now the another important beverage crop is coffee, and Karnataka state in South India is the leading producer of coffee. We all know that tea is grown in tropical as well as subtropical region, but coffee is only grown in tropical region. And Karnataka is the leading producer. You remember the location of Karnataka? On the western coast of peninsular region, Karnataka is located, and you can write down Karnataka for coffee. Okay, so these are the crops for which major leading producing states will be asked in your exam. Yes friends, it is taking very long, so remaining maps we'll do in the next video. So in map series part 2 we have done in this video today the major crops leading producers, and in the previous map we have done the cities with 10 million and above population. Okay, thank you very much, and as you people are demanding for more videos, we will complete the map work in the next video. Please subscribe the channel, those who have not done so, so you will get the notification for the coming videos very quickly, and give your suggestions in the comment box for the topics which you feel are difficult, so we can make more videos on those topics. And practice a lot. Map work is very easy. Just you practice them and you will get full marks in the maps. Thank you. God bless you. Stay fit. Stay healthy. God bless you all.